My name's Ian Malcolm, and I'm going to talk to you today about something I really find fascinating, and that is my favourite triangle. Okay, now triangle, right angle triangle, okay, 90 degrees in here. Okay, now in this example that we're looking at, I'm going to have 1 and 1. So if it's 1 and 1 in the triangle, that means, of course, it should be 45 degrees. Perfect. Okay. Now, what we're looking for is how long the hypotenuse of the triangle, or the long side, or if we're going to talk about roofing mass, we talk about raft length. But the truth of the matter is, it is 1.4142. Okay. And this is the world's most useful number. It comes up time and time again. And let's just check and make sure that, I haven't got it wrong or I'm not exaggerating. So we remember the formula, and h equals the square root of a squared plus b squared. And we should also remember that from high school. Okay? Pretty standard. So let's start to do a few substitutes. So h equals the square root of this side, which is 1 squared, plus this side, which is 1 squared. So h equals the square root. Now 1 times 1 is 1, plus 1 times 1 is 1. So h equals the square root of 2, which means h equals 1.4142. And you think how many times in life this keeps coming up. So if we have a look, let me see, looking down on a roof, right, we've got hip, column rafter, couple of rafters up here. Okay, looking the goods. Now, the run, or how far it is from the outside of the plate to the side of the ridge. If this is 1, travel of 1, that means that the hip travels 1.4142 times longer to get to the same height. So there's a direct relationship. If we look at paper, okay, so A4 sheet compared to an A3 sheet, 1.4142 times longer than the next. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Anyway, you gotta love it. It's good stuff.